Question number 1. Trigger that is automatically activated every time the Sql DML statement is run is the definition of.
Nice selection. DML trigger is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 2. And Sql- refers to a program that retrieves and processes one row at a time based on the results of the sysql statement.
Strong choice. Cursor is the right answer.
Question number 3. To allow plotouter Sql messages to be displayed on the Sql developer screen, the following command must be executed.
Nicely done. Set server output on is a solid answer.
Question number 4. Based on the specific type of Pl Sql, the use of functions in the SQL statement prohibits the use of syntax.
Correct response. Both are true is the most accurate answer.
Question number 5. What database management system was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010 and is known for open source? Excellent choice. Muscle is the right answer.
Question number 6. The skill statement select subster Fort from dual. What is the output?
Bravo. 2345 is the answer.
Question number 7. What type of subprogram in Pl Sql is executed as a result of a certain SQL instruction on a table? You chose trigger, and it is correct. Question number 8. According to the document, what kind of requirements focus on the user-system interaction?
Right again. Functional requirements is a valid answer. Question number 9. What is stored in the database once the intermediate code has been generated in Pl Sql? Excellent. The intermediate code ready for execution is a brilliant choice. Question number 10. If you want to fetch unique values from a column in SQL, which keyword would you use?
Correct. Distinct is the right answer. Question number 11. Which of the following DBMs is widely used in business and corporate applications? You got it? Your choice Microsoft SQL Server is right. Question number 12. -cursor is declared by Oracle for each update. Delete and insert SQL commands. Well picked. Implicit is the correct answer. Question number 13. What kind of instructions and elements provide Pl Sql to extend the standard Sql? On track? Stored procedures and functions is the correct answer. Question number 14. What SQL instruction is used to insert data into a database with Java and JDBs? Smart pick. Insert into user's values is the correct choice. Question number 15. Which of the following is a characteristic that differentiates Pl Sql of Sql? Great thinking. Pl Sql add procedural and object-oriented programming capabilities is the right choice. Question number 16. Which SQL clause is used alongside group by to filter the aggregated results?
Sharp thinking. Having is the right choice.
Question number 17. Which of the following SQL clauses is used to filter the results of a query? Good job. Your answer where works well here. Question number 18. You can use the dash statement of Sql to assign values to Pl Sql variables. Right choice. Select into is the best answer.
Question number 19. What Sql sentence is used to modify the structure of an existing database?
Perfect. Alter is the correct choice. Question number 20. What pdo method is used to prepare an SQL sentence for its execution? You're right. Prepare is the correct answer. Question number 21. Which of the following clause cannot be used in SQL subqueries? Nice work. You chose order by, and it is correct. Question number 22. How do you call a Pl Sql function from within a SQL statement? Good thinking. Using the select statement is the right answer. Question number 23. Which skill command is used to retrieve data from a database? Valid point. Select is true. Question number 24. Which of the following is used to group Pl statements? Well reasoned. Pl Sql blocks is the correct choice.
Question number 25. What SQL instruction is used to recover data, base data?
Great job. Select is the accurate answer. Question number 26. In the context of the databases, what is a tune? Solid response. A SQL instruction set to manipulate data is a valid choice. Question number 27. Which statement is true regarding procedures? Clear logic. Your choice, they include procedural and SQL statements, is sound and 100% true. Question number 28. Which is the advantage of programming Pl Sql? Well done. Performance extend program development is the right choice. Question number 29. What are the most common join clauses in Sql?
Exactly. Inner join, left join, right join, Y full join makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 30. What is SQL consultations optimization? Smart move. Process of improving the performance of SQL consultations is an accurate answer. Question number 31. The name given for implicit cursor is? Well done. SQL is the right choice. Question number 32. Which of the cursor is correct? Well picked. Cursor support result set group set of SQL is the correct answer. Question number 33. A case SQL statement is dash. Right again. A way to establish an if-then-else in SQL is a valid answer. Question number 34. Pascal has these advantages. You chose all, and it is correct. Question number 35. Pl Sql refers to? Exactly. The logic of programming language related to structured consultations makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 36. Pl Sql stands for? Smart move. Procedural language for SQL is an accurate answer.
Question number 37. What is Sql? Bravo. A consultation language is the answer.
Question number 38. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Perfect. Contact Narayan Changder is the correct choice.